Please welcome the delicious cake yarn Cookie, an exciting acrylic yarn from Järbo, perfect for knitted or crocheted garments and accessories. One skein is about 200 grams, that's 7.1 ounces. It runs for about 600 meters approximately, that's 656 yards, and it is enough for an entire shawl or a poncho. And you know what? The gorgeous print colors give such a lovely effect without having to make a single change of yarn. We recommend using needle size 5mm, that's a US size 8, and on a 10 by 10 centimeter or 4 by 4 inch gauge swatch, you should get somewhere between 18 to 19 stitches every 27 rows. That's why we recommend a 5mm needle, that's a US size 8, and we recommend a crochet hook somewhere between 4.5mm and a 5mm, or US size 7 to a US size H8. The weight of the yarn provides a quick and a beautiful result in both knitting and crocheting, since the yarn weight is worsted. And the best thing about this yarn is that it's both soft and super pleasant to work with. Cookie carries the OekoTex-certificate, which means that the production is environmentally friendly and socially responsible, so you can in turn enjoy working the yarn in good conscience for big and small. Please be aware that actually the yarn weight's thickness varies quite a little bit, giving your project a beautiful texture. Leave a comment below and tell us what is your favorite color of Cookie and what do you dream about making with this beautiful and soft squishy yarn. See you guys in the next video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Tons of kisses. Bye.